Hi there. So in this video, we will take a look at some of the basic annotations in TestNG. Now, open your Eclipse and go to File menu, go to New, then click on Java project. So we are going to start by creating one Java project named sample test n. Okay, next thing is to click on library, add library, then click on TestNG, then click on next, and then click on finish. This should have your library attached to the project. Click on finish. Now you have your project ready with TestNG Java files as well. Now you can right click on your project, click on new, then add class. Here you can name it, let's say demo. Okay, now we are not going to modify anything within this class. Just click on finish, and now it should show you your demo.java class. Now here I want to create one annotation named @test. Okay, and then we will have public void test1 method. Okay, and then I'm going to print out println to show let's give it test. Okay, now the next annotation will be @before. Okay, so you can have it before method or you can have after method. So let's have public void test2, and here we specify before method. So you get the idea that which test runs before and after. So let's have public void test3, and I'm going to paste system out println. Now I'm going to mention after method. Now that we have our test method before and after method. Okay, now we're going to also use a few more methods here, such as @before class, then public void test4. Okay, and here we mention before class. Okay, now the next thing, we will also have after class. For that we will have public void test5. Okay, and here we will mention that class as well, so it's going to be after class. Okay, now let's keep on adding those classes for annotation. @test, that is added. Now before method, that is added as well, then after, then before class. Okay, and finally after class. Okay, so all these classes are added and all our errors are gone. And now what we are going to check is which method runs first. So out of all these, priority always goes for before class. So it should show you in your console output first, then goes for, you get to run your before method, which runs before test, then after method, which runs from test, and after all the execution of methods and classes, the final annotation after class runs. So we are going to check that. So for that, let's just right click on our class and run as TestNG test. Okay, and here you see there are 0 errors, all tests pass, no errors and issues as well. Now let's check the output. You see before class first, then before method, then test method, then after method and after class. Okay, this is exactly the way we wanted it to appear. Okay, so in case of annotations, you can see that before class and before method takes the priority over @test, and after method and after class takes the last priority after your test annotation method. Okay, so this was a simple introduction towards how to use these annotations and how to set the priority for your methods in TestNG.